Time check!
Sawadee ka, Tokon. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Adet, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Sawadika! Sawadika!
Thank you.
Sawadika, teacher. Morning, chair. Make up time! Morning, teacher Namtan. Morning, teacher Ming. And I'm done with my makeup. And let's go to assembly hall. Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Ready? Give me your score. Team Iktana. Fry. 14. Kit. Bill. Frame. Tawan. 11. Q. Supachai. Non. 20. Ken. 3. Deal. Perm. Chill. 1. 6. Home. Ha? 28? จริงเหรอ Gun 6 Dream 6 Jed Mark James Pro Tan 2 Mark Focus Tám Nơi Yêu Cáo 3 Garfield 9 Tam Mù 0 Tới 7 Mu 1 Asia Mod 9 6 New Year 6 Ơi 2 Foam Nong Meal 2 Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Song Kadat. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Pass the papers. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. So first, what is acronym? All together read. Acronym is a word formed from initial letters of phrases, pronounceable as words, readable as words, often replacing original phrases. Next, what is abbreviation? All together read. Abbreviation is used to save space and time, to avoid repetition of long words and phrases, or simply to conform to conventional usage. Next, the third one. What is initials? All together read. Example of acronym. Very good. IDK means I don't know. DIY. Okay, DIY means do it yourself. What is BRB? Be right back. LOL. LOL. LOL or LOL means laugh out loud. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about abbreviations, acronyms, and initialisms. First, what is acronym? All together read. Combining. Acronym is words formed from initial letters of phrases, pronounceable as words, readable as words, often replacing original phrases. Abbreviation is used to save space and time, to avoid repetition of long words and phrases, and to conform to conventional usage. Example of acronym is IDK. What is IDK? Okay. Next, DIY. What is DIY? Okay, do it by yourself or do it yourself. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. What is solve? Ready? Give me your score. Achi, 36. Bas, 3. Sorry, what? 33. Okay. Bas, 38. Weir, 43. Very good. Clap your hands to Weir. Tawan, 38. 37. IQ, 32. Tonkla, 35. Mawin, 43. Very good. Clap your hands to Mawin. Prem, 41. Very good. Clap your hands to Prem. Garn, 20. Arm, 36. Cow, 25. Mark, 19. New, sorry, 6. Tim Yang, 30. Packard, 35. Bill, 15. First, 32. Proud, 31. Nampet, 24. Modam, 28. Genie, 40. Very good. Grab your hands to Jenny. Maple, 28. Parn, 23. Nampeng, 43. Very good. Clap your hands to Nampeng. Jeep, 40. Very good. Clap your hands to Jeep. Tong, 28. Organ, 38. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Pass all your papers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, we will have a message relay activity. Keep all your phones inside your bag. Do not put your phones in your pockets. Place them inside your bag instead. How to do the activity? I need one leader in each group. I will give you one complete sentence. You will pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering through your ears one by one. Activity instructions. I will give you a complete sentence and you will pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering it into their ears one by one. The last person will immediately come to the front and tell the writers in the team what the complete sentence is. The writers will then write the sentence on the bond paper I provided. If you are going to pass the complete sentence through your team, you should be careful to speak in a low voice so that the other teams or your opponents cannot hear it. You need to lower your voice when passing the sentence so that the writers at the front also cannot hear it. This is important because if the writers at the front can hear the sentence, they will have a clue or hint about it, which would put your team at a disadvantage. Be sure to tell the correct spelling, correct capital letters in the sentence. Correct punctuation marks that are used such as full stop, question mark, exclamatory, comma, apostrophe, period, etc. No full stop or period in the last sentence, it means 0 points. No correct punctuation marks, it means 0 points. Do not cheat, I will deduct the points of the group who are cheating. Do not use your phones, keep your phones inside your bag. Be sure to focus and take today's activity seriously, as the points or score you earn will be recorded accordingly. Score points, 3 points each to the group who got the correct sentence. Listen everyone, I will tell you your scores. Group 1, 15 points, Sip Hakanen. Group 3, Group 3, 18 points, Sip Petkanen. Group 2, Hakanen. Group 2, Lolen. Group 2, Yisip Etkanen, 21 points. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Goodbye, teachers. Sayonara. Jai Chen. And I'm home sweet home. Hi, Doc. Good evening. I'm good. How about you?
ในตอนที่สระผมแกก็รู้สึกว่ามีมือครับยื่นแกก็จะว่าผมเป็นมือครับพี่มือแกข้างนึงในผมอีกข้างนึงจะเริ่มแปลอะไรตัวทำที่เอาไว้ผมแกบอกว่ามีมือมาช่วยยีผมได้นะครับเป็นจุดตัดสินใจของแกที่แกว่าแกจะไม่กลับมาโรงแรมนี้เลยแล้วก็พอลงมาแกถัดมาแกอยากให้ผมมาเปิดประเด็นแต่แกเปิดกับคนอื่นไปแล้ว
อันนี้คนนั้นใช่ไหมที่บอกว่าเอ้ยกูไปนอนที่อื่นแล้วนะคือคนนี้เลยใช่ไหม
ใช่ครับนั่นแหละครับเขาคุยกันแล้วแต่ผมว่าตกขบวนผมไม่ได้คุยกับแค่พี่คนเนี้ยนอกจากเขาโทรมาแล้วว่ากินให้ความยาวให้เท้าแล้วก็เดี๋ยวนอนบนเครื่องบินอะไรกันก็ว่ากันไปนั่นแหละครับแล้วก็ผมงั้นเราทุกคนก็ต้องขึ้นไปพร้อมกันแล้วพี่เพื่อไปเอาของกลับก็แต่ละคนก็เดินเข้าไปก็แบบอย่างไวอาบน้ำมาทานแล้วเจอกันข้างนอกแล้วก็รีบกลับแล้วก็ออกจากก็มีประมาณนี้
แล้วคนอื่นอ่ะหมายถึงว่า
มันก็เจอคล้ายๆกันเคาะประตูโดนกอดอย่างเงี้ยครับเหมือนกัน
Thank you so much, Doc. Blue this time. It's blue.